Hello, I'm Justin Ross with Fluke Biomedical and RaySafe, and I'm back with the RaySafe X2 and our brand new sensor, the X2 Volt. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect the X2 Volt to the base unit and get the voltage and time readings you'll need to calculate mAs. But since I'm working from home, my wife won't let me have an X-ray machine in our basement, so in this video, I'm going to simulate our X-ray generator with a 9-volt battery. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is connect our standard USB cable to the back of the X2 beside my Bluetooth adapter there. Alright, now I'll connect the other side to my volt sensor, and you'll notice when I first connect it, it's going to take a few seconds. If you've never connected your volt before, it might take a little bit extra time because the base unit's pulling the firmware, the serial number, and the calibration date from the sensor and recording that for your later retrieval in your records. So there we go. Now I'm going to use the cables that come with the volt, and you'll notice the end of these have the standard banana pins. So I'll lay this out here a little bit and connect this in. In this configuration, we have a max of 16 volts. So there we go. That is now connected. And on this end, I'm going to reach into my multimeter bag and take out my test leads. Press these onto here and this onto here. I use these with my Fluke multimeter and with my safety analyzer. There we go. Now I'm ready to go. So on the base unit, I'm going to go ahead and press activate. It's going to 0. And now I'm ready to take my measurement. Get into our X-ray cabinet there. And there's our reading. That nice, simple, easy to do. Alright, so we have our voltage and we have our time. Now simply go to the service manual, find out the formula I need, and calculate out my mAs. But wait, there's more. If I swipe over, we've already included a lot of those conversion factors for you. So look in your service manual, see which one you need, and you can simply select it. Today we're going to use 1 milliamp per volt. Now we'll slide back to our normal screen, and let's try that measurement again. Here we go. And there's our measurement. So now we have our voltage, our time, our milliamps, and our mAs, all on one screen. If I want to see my waveforms, I simply just have to click on that icon, slide over, and there's my waveform. I can click here, and I can zoom in on that waveform and see the different points and get the voltage and the time readings right from it. Simply hit home and I'm right back to the main screen. Now that I'm done, press deactivate and we're ready to move on to the next step of our PM. Hey, thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you in our next video.